Hi, in today's video at Garfin's Creation, we'll be seeing how to make these lovely Easter eggs. These are hand molded Easter eggs and do not require any mold. These Easter eggs are made with Marzipan. Just a few days back, I have shared this recipe how to make this Marzipan along with coloring it. So let's start with the video. This will just make the little decoration using Gumpaste. And these are some of the plunger cutters which you can use to make the decoration like flowers, stars, hearts. I'll be using store-bought Gumpaste to make these decorations today. This is little corn flour that we require for dusting. You can also use these silicone molds like the bow and the leaves to add more decorations to your Easter eggs. Stay tuned, I'll also be showing other alternatives to these Gumpaste flowers. So we'll just start by rolling the Gumpaste. I've just sprinkled a little corn flour and we'll start rolling this. Do not use fondant to make these decorations. Fondant decoration tends to melt due to humidity. Gumpaste is just ideal for it. So I'll be just dipping this small flour plunger cutter in some corn flour and then cutting it through the Gumpaste. Earlier, I've already shared a detailed video how to make these Gumpaste decorations like flowers and leaves. You can check out the link up here. So you can make many sizes of these flowers, some small and some big as well. You can leave them flat or just give it a little shape. Similarly, I'll be cutting more of this and also using the heart shape and the star shape to cut out these from the Gumpaste. I'll also be cutting the same from different colors of Gumpaste. I purchased a white color Gumpaste, then divided it and made it into different colors. That is best rather than buying individual colors of Gumpaste. Just use gel colors to color the Gumpaste. So I'll continue making all these decorations with all the different plunger cutters and different colors as well. So while using the silicone mold, you just need to dust it with some corn flour and then remove the excess. Then take the desired color and just fill the mold. If you do not prefer using Gumpaste, you can also use royal icing to make all these decorations. The video on how to make royal icing flowers is already on my channel. You can check out the link up here too. This is simple enough. You just need to fill the mold and then press it nicely and then demold it. In the same way, I'll also be making these bows. I'll be sharing all the recipes, molds and cutters too. Do check the description box for all the details. So these two I'll be making of different colors. And once these are ready, you have to let these get dried completely till they become nice and hard. So you need to make this Gumpaste decoration well in advance. Once they dry hard, you can store them in an airtight box. So now let's start shaping the Easter eggs. This is the Marzipan recipe that I have just shared recently. I'll put the link for that too here. These have been colored with gel colors. To make the Easter eggs all of one size, it's best to weigh them before shaping. So knead the Marzipan once more, make it soft enough so that there are no cracks. Just weigh it as much as you need. Here I'm just taking 50 grams of the Marzipan and then just roll it into a smooth round ball. There should not be any cracks on it. Once it's nice, round and smooth, just give it an oval shape and then just shape it lightly in the shape of an egg. So here our Easter egg is ready, made without any molds. So this Marzipan recipe has eggs. Don't worry, I do have a Marzipan recipe without eggs as well. I'll be sharing all the links. You can check it up here too. So you need to shape all the Easter eggs in the same way before you could decorate them. If you find it difficult shaping it with this way, you can always use those Easter egg molds to give a perfect shape. So once you have shaped all the Easter eggs, let the Marzipan dry a little bit before you could start decorating. If you start decorating them immediately, they will lose its shape and they may not look perfect. Let them dry a little bit so it's easy to handle while you decorate them. Once they are dried, now let's start decorating them. For decorating the Easter eggs, here I'm using white chocolate. You can use white compound as well or even royal icing. Melt the chocolate in the microwave with an interval of 10 seconds. And then keep stirring it till there are no lumps and the chocolate is completely melted. Then pour the melted chocolate into a piping bag. This way it will be easier to decorate the Easter eggs. If you do not like chocolate, you can use royal icing. You can check out that recipe too on my channel. Before you could start decorating, you need to keep everything ready. Like these Gumpaste decorations have been nicely dried. And if you do not want to use these Gumpaste decorations, you can use the sprinkles. All of these are easily available online. So now let's start decorating the Easter eggs. The Easter eggs too are nice and dry and you're able to handle them without disturbing its shape. So you just need to cut out a small tip of the piping bag so we can drizzle the white chocolate over the Easter eggs. While making those lines on the Easter eggs with the white chocolate, you need to move the icing bag quickly from left to right. If you go slow, you won't get straight lines. You can drizzle the chocolate anywhere on the Easter egg. You can make the design on both the sides of the Easter egg, or cover the entire Easter egg with the drizzle, or just do it on one side of the Easter egg. And now immediately you need to start decorating the Easter eggs as the chocolate starts drying up. We need to let the decoration stick on the chocolate, so we need to do this in a hurry. Start placing the decorations on the drizzled chocolate. I've just added some fine sprinkles on the drizzled chocolate and then adding those Gumpaste decorations. And if your chocolate is already dried and the decoration is falling off, just use a little more chocolate and stick those decorations again. And if you do not want to use this Gumpaste decoration, just use the sprinkles and decorate the Easter eggs as you like. If the chocolate becomes hard inside the piping bag, keep the piping bag in the microwave for 10 seconds. And just rub it a little, so if there are any lumps in the piping bag, that too will get dissolved. And then start decorating your Easter eggs, just one or two at a time. This way you will get sufficient time to decorate the Easter eggs before the chocolate drizzle hardens up. So here I'm decorating those Easter eggs without any Gumpaste decorations and just using some sprinkles. These sprinkles are available in any cake decorating shops or even online. You can check out all these links mentioned below. So I'll continue decorating all the Easter eggs using the Gumpaste flowers or even the sprinkles. Even the Easter eggs decorated with the sprinkles look good. There are other videos too on my YouTube channel where I've showed how to decorate Easter eggs, bunnies and bonnets too. I've also shared recipes on how to make cookie dough Easter eggs and chocolate Easter eggs as well. So there are many options to try to make these Easter eggs if you do not want to make Marzipan Easter eggs. So here you can see I've been decorating some Easter eggs using those bows, hearts and stars as well. If you prefer any themed Easter eggs, so you can just make your decorations likewise. Once you're finished decorating the Easter eggs, just using the small cupcake liners to put the Easter eggs inside. This way they are good to handle and pack as well. And once the decorations have been dried, we can pack these Easter eggs in these small containers. And with this, our Easter eggs are all ready to be gifted to anyone. You can also start your small business by making and selling these. Thanks for always watching all my videos and supporting me with your lovely comments. Do subscribe to Garfin's Creation and also share my videos so that everyone can benefit from it. Thanks for watching and do continue your support and love for my YouTube channel Garfin's Creation. Till I see you again with some more videos. Till then, take care and bye-bye.